commenter said, yeah. I just can't bring myself to buy cheap shit. I have to admit, sometimes it is shit. Well, you see, I bought this Autobester air sander back in November. And it lasted about 2.5 to 3 months before it decided not to work. Whereas this one, I've had for several years. And it's been, well, a really good tool. Very pleased with it, yeah. And that was cheap. See, this one, I think it's like 40, 50 euros, something like that, this air sander. And okay, it was okay while it was working. But unfortunately, it stopped working. I tried absolutely everything, including hitting it with an axe, and that didn't help either. No. Well, you see, I contacted Autobest, and I told them I did. I'm not happy because obviously it's still under guarantee and all that. I said, it don't work anymore. No. So, what did Autobest do? Well, they sent me another one. They did. So fair dues to them that they did honour their guarantee, and they said I could keep the old one for parts. Okay, fair enough. Now, this particular tool here should be identical, and it looks pretty identical to be fair. It's got the usual stuff like that, which you don't really want, a bag that you probably ain't going to use, you know, and a destruction manual as well. Well, you see, and a spanner so you can remove the actual Velcro pad. Handy. You see, because now I've got a spare one, right? Now, the thing is, you see, let's see whether or not it's better than that one, because this one always seemed a little bit underpowered in comparison to this Vaughan here. This one has been Vaughan of Aaron, it's just Aaron. This one's been absolutely brilliant. I'm really pleased with this air sander. I'd say it's comparable with the Merca. It's got loads of power in it, and it's got fairly good action as well. You know, it's not just the thrusting it does, it's not just the spinning. No, it's the oscillation it does. Oh, crikey. Oh, the missus, she can love me tonight, she is. Anyway, here it is. Now, before I use it, I've got to insert my tool that I have. Or at least my little spigot's got to go in there. All right. Now, where is it? All right, I've got one on there. I can take that one off there if I like, yeah. Or I could use the one that it came with it. It's a European style one, yeah? Now, you don't just screw it in there like so, okay? They don't provide you with anything to seal it with, no, unless there's no ring in there. Is there no ring in there? No, there's no O-ring in there, just a little gauze filtery thing. Yeah, so what I got is my PTFE stuff that you put on radiator fittings, right? But when you put this stuff on, make sure you do it in the right direction. Obviously, effectively, when you're doing it up, you might unwind it if you put it on the wrong way around. So bear that in mind, so you've got to go in the right direction. All right, let's whack that on. Is it that way? Is that the right? No, that'd be the wrong direction, the other way. Alright, so I'm going to plonk that on there like so. Alright, I made a mess of this already. Spin that on there like so. Okay, spin me right round, baby, right round. So basically wind it on in the same direction as you're going to wind it in or screw it into its little hole. Alright? Yeah, you know how it goes. Oh, they were the days, oh blimey. I can remember it well. Yeah, I wish it wasn't so long ago. But anyway, it is, you know, that's what happens to us all in the end. If you can't find it, you've got no one to use it with. And if you have got someone to use it with, they can't be bothered either. No. We'd rather have a cup of tea. Alright, you've got to make sure you don't block the hole though, alright? So, like I just did. I made a right mess of this because I've done it on video, that's why, isn't it? That's my excuse anyway. Alright, that'll do. Alright, so, we can now screw it into its hole. There we go, there it is, it's going in. Yeah, I made a right mess of that. Believe me. Yeah, there you go. It will do its job, it will. It will seal. That I'm sure. Alright. Hopefully it's going to be better than the last one. And hopefully it's going to last longer as well. You see, this will be the third 4.5 inch, 5 inch sander. Air sander. You see, the first one I had lasted 2 years. Different make than this, yeah. Basically the valve was shit on it, it all broke inside. I bought this one because the valve had a better type of valve, and the same type as this one's got. You see, they're virtually identical, you know. So I was hoping it's going to last long, and it didn't. No. Right, let's whack a sanding disc on there. I'll just get that one off of there because there's not any use on that one. Nope. I'll plonk that on there. That'll do. All right, what's that? Oh, I'm doing my nails. Okay, that's a 180. That is. It might be a 240 actually. Is it 240? Curious, no? 240. Yeah, 240. Not a 180. It feels like 180 because it's used. Alright. It's not making any noises like type noises, no. And you've got your variable powery thingy-me-jiggy here. Does it work? Alright, let's press the button. I would say it sounds a bit more. I think that's got more oomph in it. I hope so. So you go down. Like that, yeah. Right. Got a piece of wood here. Alright, let's try it. Shall we try it on a piece of wood? I think so. Alright, hopefully. It's going to be as... We'll try against that other one in a minute as well. Hopefully it's going to be as good as that one. Don't forget, you've got to put some oil in there, which I haven't done yet. Air tool oil. Although 3 in 1 works, to be fair. Stop it. I can't stop it, that's good. I think it is better than that one. Let's compare it to this one. The Baron. I'd say this one's got a bet. It's definitely better. Although this one's better than what that one was. That's all right. Hopefully it'll last longer than that one. Huh? With a bit of luck, anyway. So there you go. That is the AutoBest air sander, the second one I've had, because the first one I bought, AutoBest one, which came in this box, right, broke. So that one's shite, and that one's hopefully going to be a darn sight better. You see, this one is going to be spare parts, you see. That it is. Oh well, there you go. Toodaloo!